Right, well, going off camping today. Green Gary, nicely loaded up, old style, and up to the lake and a bit of a swim and some beers and the two rabbits. So gonna meet Tim up there, moving very slowly. Yeah. Here we are at Yassay. Some people swimming in that freezing water. Lake Biwa, here we come. Coming up here today with 25 kilos of weight on my bike. It's pretty nice. No rain. What happened? Here. That's beautiful, isn't it? That. Here we are, going along the bike path to the two rabbits brewery. Good path, it goes forever. In paradise. Excited. Oh, we're at the two rabbits. A pint of Moon Rabbit Session IPA.
Bounce Back XPA.
Cheers. Yeah. Right next to the shit, and the poor little buggers are all living in those tiny sheds and probably full of diseases and all kinds of horrible things. And you lot eat it! Are you mad? I think this bloke is lost. Are you lost, mate? Look, he's pissing all over you now. You killed it! What did you do that for?
You pissed on me! I can tell! Pissed on me! I was trying to save his life!
Oh my god, I mean, do you think he can survive that impact?
Of course he can!
He's not swimming to the surface, is he? You've drowned him, he's dead, he's gone.
He didn't hit the concrete, at least. I was worried he's going to hit the concrete. He's pissing on me!
Just put him down. Just throw him in there.
Put him down, poor thing. What do you want to kill him for?
Put him down there.
Oh.
Oh God. Where is it? Oh, that no, it's okay. God, it's all right.
He came up to say thank you. You see.
Right, well, we're riding along a little gravel path here, and it's getting dark, and we're wondering where the hell we're going to camp tonight. We have no idea. The campsite we wanted to stay at is closed. So, yeah, hopefully we'll find somewhere. Oh God, some kind of life form has attached itself to my crank. Oh, it's still moving. What are they going to do with it? Hey Tim, come and check this out. This is just like, it's like my worst nightmare.
What's going on?
This enormous leech has attached itself to my bike. It is.
Is it?
I don't know, it's got a funny mouth on it. It's
Where does it come from?
what the hell is it? No, look, it moves, look. See? It moves. Look, it's moving.
Oh God, where did that come from?
I don't know. The bit of it's on there as well. Can't get that. Oh God.
Yeah, well, it's seen better days.
Look, it's got that big leech mouth on it.
Well, flick it off and let's go.
Oh, you do it, Tim. I can't do it. How do I get that off? Yeah, get this. Do not want that thing attaching itself to me. Come on, get off of there, you. God, get off, get off. Oh.
Oh, don't flick it on me. What about that bit on your chainsaw?
Keep that. Right, well apparently you're not supposed to camp here, but it doesn't seem like anybody gives a flying fuck. So there we go. Well. It's very nice right by the lake here. Well, here we are. We're at our camp spot here, and very nice. There's a lot of people here actually, and it's a free camp spot.
You hope.
Well, it says you're not supposed to camp here, but everybody is. That's typical, isn't it? It's 5 in the morning, and it's time to get up, I suppose. This is my world today. What a mess. See, there's been a few beers drunk over there. Tim's doing his yoga exercises. Sky is blue. Looks like the weather forecast was wrong. It's still like 6 in the morning, but somebody decided to play the bloody drums this early on a Sunday morning. Anyway, luckily we're going anyway. We're leaving. As you can see, most people are still asleep in bed. This bloody plonker over there is playing the drums. It's unbelievable. Right, well this guy's been playing the drums now for almost an hour. And okay, so let's have a look. What does it say here? It says you're not allowed to use those. So I don't know why. Maybe you're not supposed to play on them. Maybe you're allowed to use them, but you're not allowed to play on them. Anyway, it also says over there, it says you are not allowed to camp here. This is a place where you are not allowed to camp. And look at it. It's unbelievable. Nobody cares. Anyway, it's a good place to camp, so I think it's probably, yeah, why not? We can walk through here, and there's the lake right there. Actually brilliant to come here windsurfing, isn't it? Have your campsite there and then come over here with your board. As you can see, the beach is absolutely covered in crap. I mean, it's just bottles and look at it, just God knows what that is doing over there. Well, it would be very beautiful, wouldn't it, if it weren't covered in rubbish. Right, well, it looks like Tim's finally got ready. That's not bad considering it's not even 7 yet. Well, we're back on the road. Commuting tonight. This is another place I thought I could camp here. That could be really peaceful here. This is no camping, no barbecuing, but don't suppose anyone would care. Dog put me off, got a bit lost. Well, we're now wondering whether we should cheat and get the ferry across to make it up. Right, well, this end of the lake here, the path is a bit crap, I have to say. But if you've got a gravel bike, it's fine, and I still prefer it to being on there with all the trucks. Fun little playground for kids. Right, coming up to Nagahama Castle now. Already? Yeah. How can you be shagged already? We just started. You can actually go through here, I think, and blow leaves around, which are far less efficient than a broom, and make all that noise and pollute the air. Why would you do that? Crazy. Distance there. Oh, that is lovely, isn't it? It's lovely. This is the bit where I always think, where should I go? There's not really any nice way around. Oh yeah, we found the gravel. Oh yeah, this is the way to go around Lake Biwa. Bear alarm. How do you know it's a bear alarm? There are bears here. There you go. Noisy here. Right, bit of a landslide here. But we can get through. This is cool in here. Wow, it's so cool. La 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 la. Gotta say, this is a very nice tunnel. I don't like tunnels generally because they're full of cars, but there's nothing actually wrong with tunnels. Tunnels are great. It's just that when you put a car in it, then it's crap. So if you got rid of all the cars, then tunnels would be fantastic. Look at that.
In worse situations.
What is that growth you've got around your neck there?
Or napping.
Is that to stop shit coming out of your mouth? A lot of shit does come out of Tim's mouth, as we all know, but it's being taken care of.
Never gonna get a truck.
Never-ending bloody traffic. Look at it, horrific. Which is better, that or that?
Another one down there.
And one there, look. Fancy road bikes around here. Today I'm going to do something I have never done before. Go through the horrible tunnel. Oh, I'd like to go that way, but Tim's in no state to get up there. Well, here we are coming up to the horrible tunnel. There's no path through here to go back to the other tunnel. Okay, well there is a path, so it's not too bad. So we'll go through. This is glorious here. This is the best bit of the trip. Well, it's 34 degrees now, getting a bit warm. Midday is coming up. It's time to stop for a dip here, that's the idea. Just climb down over there, see my lily white body. Obviously hasn't been in the water or out in the sun for a while, you can tell. And here comes cream cheese. Oh, the water is, I wouldn't say it's that cold, but it sort of takes your breath away a bit when you get in here. Myself. The world, I'm talking to the world here. Are you coming in, Tim? No, you wouldn't really want to see Tim coming in here. We'll take a picture of him once he's in here, shall we? Gets deep quickly. It's a bit of a shock to the system when you first come in, but actually it's not that cold. I'd say it's perfect in here. Absolutely perfect. Again now, after like 2 hours of Tim faffing around with his bike, and we're off. That'll be really hot. I'd only done 60 kilometres since 8 o'clock in 7 o'clock in the morning, and it was now 2:40. 66 kilometres. Yeah, and here we have a glamping site. Ah, look at that. That's a fancy tent, and doesn't look very shady. Looks pretty hot to me. That would be uncomfortable, don't you think? Secret campground that no one knows about. What should we do? Stay here. Do our classes from here tomorrow. Poor bird down there. What is this interesting place? What is it? Massive traffic jam. Look at all those cars just sitting there. Ah, why would you want to be doing that? Airstream, and oh yeah, so you can watch my video later on YouTube. See ya. Picturesque. Now look at that, that's a very interesting sign for the toilet. Not sure who they are, but very posh around here. Quite nice. Says goodbye. And I go over to Kyoto. See you later.